Hello guys, welcome back to Signature Market. I'm Shyan. I'm a father of two, personal trainer, chef, and also a CrossFit athlete. Today, I'm going to teach you a super wonderful granola, which is a gingerbread granola. And today, I'm using this again, multi-air fryer oven for this super tasty gingerbread granola. So the ingredients for today is we have a whey protein powder, almond butter, vanilla extract, nutmeg powder, and below actually everything are from Signature Market. We have organic ginger powder, organic cinnamon, gluten-free thick roll oats, pecan, blackcurrant, Rainforest honey. This is an extra virgin, not olive oil, extra virgin coconut oil. Just put in your oat. After you put in the oat, put away this blackcurrant and the pecan nut, because I don't want you to put in too early. It's going to be burnt, right? So put in the protein powder, almond butter. The next stuff, vanilla extract, nutmeg powder, cinnamon powder, just 1 teaspoon, organic ginger powder. This is very important. Stir together. Next up, I'm going to put in the extra virgin coconut oil. Just open it up. Yes, put in the extra virgin coconut oil. I'm going to put 3 sticks of this coconut oil into the rolled oats. The smell actually very good, you know. After putting in coconut oil, Rainforest raw honey. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Stir. Mix it well. Make sure all of the oat is coated with cinnamon, gingerbread, the ginger powder, protein powder. Yes. Gosh, smells so good. After all this done, you can put in this oven. But here is the secret weapon for me to introduce today. This is a rotisserie basket, and it actually can make a very good granola by keep rotating the granola inside. Or you want to make a chicken popcorn, or you want to stir, do wedges or do some fries. It's very easy for you. So I put in all the granola inside this basket. Put in everything. You see, it don't leak because the net, the hole is very tiny. After that, there's a lock here. Just simply press it. That's it. Let's open up this oven and put this into the air fryer oven. Right guys, everything is in. So I'm going to show you how to function this multi-air fryer oven. Very easy. Press the on button. Yeah, you have to plug in your plug first. Green color button here. Choose the menu. I'm using the bake. After that, you can adjust the temperature right here. This granola, I just need to use 12 minutes. That's it. So I'm going to adjust my temperature. 175. That's it. Press the start. Here you go. Oven start baking. The next thing is the rotate function.
A few moments later.
Alright, by the last 5 minutes, here is something you have to do. Pull out and bring your rotisserie basket out. We're going to put in the pecan and the blackcurrant. Right, open up the basket. We're going to put the pecan and the blackcurrant. Just pour into your basket lightly stir. And then now we're going to close it and cook up. Before you close it, we're going to adjust the temperature. I'm going to raise the temperature up to 200 degrees for the rest 5 minutes. Just bring up the temperature, press start, and to top. Right, 5 minutes is done. So just bring out. Here's my super tasty granola, gingerbread granola. Alright guys, while I'm pouring this granola into the baking tray, there is a comment and win contest for you. How many signature market products that I use in this video? The correct answer and the best and creative comment will be stand a chance to win away this multi-air fryer oven from Khind. Alright guys, if you like this kind of healthy cooking videos, remember to click like, share and subscribe to the Signature Market YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!